In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage links in your project, reload, unload, and remove. Let's start by opening the Manage Links dialog. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to control linked files in one place. Go to the Manage tab, then look for the Manage Project panel and click Manage Links. This dialog is the central place for all link control. Before you make changes, it's a good idea to save your project so you can easily roll back if needed. Once the dialog is open, you'll see your linked files listed with their status and paths, which helps you quickly spot anything that's out of date or missing. Now let's talk about reload and reload from. Use reload when the source file has changed and you want to update the link to match the latest version. This is perfect after a teammate has shared updates or when a consultant has issued a revised file. Reload keeps the same file path and simply pulls in the newest content. If the linked file has moved or you've received a replacement in a different location, choose reload from. This lets you point the link to a new file path while keeping the link's settings and placements intact. After reloading, take a moment to review key views and coordination elements to confirm the update looks correct. Next, unload a link when you want to temporarily remove it from the project without deleting the link itself. This is especially useful to improve performance on large models or when you're isolating issues like slow view updates or graphic glitches. Unloading doesn't discard any settings or placements, you're simply turning the link off for now. When you're ready to bring it back, return to Manage Links and load it again and everything will restore as it was. Finally, remove a link when you no longer need it in the project. This permanently deletes the link from the current model. If you later change your mind, you'll need to relink it from scratch and reposition it as needed. Before removing, consider whether views, dimensions, or references depend on that link. Removing it can break those relationships. When in doubt, unload first, verify nothing critical is lost, and then remove. That's it. Open Manage Links for centralized control. Use reload or reload from to keep links current, unload to troubleshoot or boost performance, and remove when a link is truly no longer required. Thanks for watching and happy linking.